nchiremo yokwane kinge kiama kia ODM kiabirige konyora abwatani abange litko liarero nigo mugavana we county ya Homabay musubati Gladys Wanga yakobo kwarigania abarai a okurwa achinsemo a oimensi ya Kenya nchiremo yokwane kinga babere bakurikia abwatani abagiabe kiama kia ODM okwana chinga kecho nigo muwaziri asireta Jombadi abereka gwesokia na goteamna umusubati Gladys Wanga gochorokoba umunyakirogo bwe kiama kia ODM niyokera chiko konya kwane kinga kia mekyo kiabere kegukina.
I've been the chairman of ODM for 10 years from 21st of November 2014 to this year August 8th 2024. That is a period of 10 years. I am happy and I want to thank the party leader Raila Odinga that when I was leaving the party chair, because now the Lord has not allowed me to be a cabinet secretary and become the chairman of the party, he saw it fit to retain the same seat in Homabay County and gave it to Gladys Wanga, who is also our governor. Today I am doing official handover of the chairmanship of the party. The biggest party south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo. The chairman is called ODM. So Nyawangaya, I want to officially, I wish I carried the katiba of the party, but next time we will carry the katiba of the party. I don't know whether we'll have a second handover, but this is official handover in good spirit, good faith. Acha nimpatie kofia.